I just want to do a video on how to jam an LS with a t56 inside of a Fox body Mustang, because I hadn't seen one on YouTube yet. Hopefully you guys like this and want to see some epic burnouts in this thing. And yeah, here it is. It's a 1992 Fox body Mustang GT. Came with a blowed up 302. Picked it up. I also bought a 2002 Camaro with a T56 and the ls1, and I pulled apart the Camaro and I decided to make the Mustang fast. You're finding on the internet, this is a budget build. So I bought the two cars and I'm going to make one out of the two of them. I bought the solid motor mount kit because I figured it would save me some time, but and I just wanted it to look somewhat decent, even though you're all judging because there is a hockey puck there. I did want a little bit of rubber, but I'll show you what the clearance looks like underneath the hood. But I am running the T56 transmission in this instead of a Turbo 400 because I like to bang gears and pass queers. So the just used a frickin' GM shock bolt, 21 millimeter, to hold that together. And with the cross member, I sectioned the cross member and added a couple pieces of triangle steel to make it so that way the transmission mount would work with this T56, because it was originally a 5-speed car. And the shifter is only off by approximately, let's say 3.5, 4 inches, which I can make up that gap with a boot. But on the Camaro I kept the drive shaft, and on the Mustang I kept the drive shaft. All I got to do is put a bastard joint on the end of this Mustang drive shaft so I can put the spline shaft off the Camaro on this, and voila, don't even have to have my drive shaft balanced because I bought two complete cars. So, you know, sometimes it pays to buy and scrap it all at once, but I'll be able to use a factory exhaust. I got one manifold right up in there off from the Camaro. That should be interesting, and I'll show you more as we go. That's where the T56 handle's coming through the transmission tunnel, and you know, it's only off by a little bit, but I'll show you how much clearance I got on the hood. That'll wrap it up. There it is. Shuts underneath the factory hood. Got some wiring to hook up. More to come, but yeah. Fit that underneath there, and the hood shuts. It looks kind of tall from on top, but want it to be kind of a sleeper so you don't know what's in there. It's all stuffed in there.